Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, as you can see on the chopping block, I already have a salad that's already pre-prepped right here. Alright, and today I'm going to be making you a delicious shrimp scampi with garlic bread and a salad on the side. Let me show you some of these ingredients. Now, I don't have a lot of wine, as you can see, but this is enough to give a little flavor to it, okay? So this is the wine I got right there. I got a whole lemon right here. I got some shaved Parmesan right here. I have some butter right here. I have the fresh parsley right there. And this is 3 onions chopped up. This is a 1/4 cup of parsley. I have some red pepper flakes right here. I have some pink sea salt. I have some garlic right here, paste. You're going to need some olive oil, some black pepper, and a little granulated onion powder. Okay? So let's jump right into it, guys. See you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, right here, I already have my water set up. Okay, I got that going right now. It's not ready to be salted, or I can put the olive oil in it. I put a little olive oil in it, like a tablespoon of that. That's enough. We're going to use that over here. When it starts bubbling and stuff, then I put a little salt in it. Then I throw my pasta in it. Alright, when it starts warming up here, if I turn it on, right? Anyway, when it starts warming up, then we'll start on our shrimps. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Alright, turn this up. Put that on 4. Put some olive oil in here. Over here to the side. About 2 tablespoons of that. And then come with some butter. Butter and olive oil are best friends. Help keep the butter from burning. Okay. So that's what we're doing with that. Take these over here on the side. We're going to take our garlic paste, squeeze just about a tablespoon of that in there. Alright. Alright, it's getting happy, y'all. We're going to go ahead and turn this back down a little bit, throw our shrimps in there. Like so. Okay. Turn it up a little bit. I'm coming with some little pepper. Some little red pepper flakes in there. Little onion powder. Okay. Give us a little salt. Sprinkle a little bit of that on there. This looks like it's ready for some salt. Go ahead and put some salt in that. I like a teaspoon of that. Turn these. There we go. Hey there, young lady.
That's me.
Hey there. How you doing?
Hey,
When you gonna come over here and cook with me?
I don't know, but you are one of
You see what I'm doing?
We do watch your videos.
You see what I'm doing? You let
Let me see. Ooh, shrimp.
Shrimp scampi. She wants shrimp scampi for her birthday.
Yes, we watch your videos.
Thank you.
We watch your videos.
Oh.
You know what I haven't done? I need to do. I need to go back and like every single one, but we didn't watch Gondola. We didn't watch. Me and Nana, me and Sylvia. We didn't watch your videos.
Oh, Sylvia be watching too?
Yep.
Yes, I can see on the big screen.
What?
Baby, I've been watching the TV.
Oh wow, I didn't even know that.
The TV.
I didn't even know that. I swear for a living.
Yes, we watch your videos. We watch you when you clap, and now you.
Girl, I'm so happy. I didn't think nobody was watching for a second.
You did. Oh no, you know what? That's why I said I gotta go back and make sure I like your videos.
Yeah.
Go back and like every single one that I saw, because we didn't see a lot.
Oh wow.
We seen hot dog, the hot pony dog.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, you gotta make those. You know, I sell those for like $3 a piece.
You
Yeah.
know what I thought was a good idea that you did, was an excellent idea that you did. You took that hot dog and pony dog.
Yeah.
And put them together.
Yeah.
I was like, that's a great idea.
Made them a super good long hot dog, did it?
Yes. I was like, look at the man over there cooking food.
Yeah, I've been cooking for years.
I know you have. I remember you cooked food many years ago. But yes, we watch you on the. We definitely. I'm a subscriber to your channel.
Oh yeah, I know. She had told me that you were.
Yeah, well, I subscribe to your channel, and then
I said, well, I thought she didn't like me or something at first. Yeah, I thought she didn't like me because we didn't. You know, I know me and Leo's always been cool.
Oh no, I watch you all the time.
Okay.
It's not all the time. And I showed, and one day we were talking, and I was like, oh, we were talking about YouTube and how to get on YouTube and what to do. Look at me.
Right. We're gonna throw some wine in there, guys.
Okay, look, hey, we got wine right here.
I don't have a lot of it. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But it's
Yeah,
enough
so
to do with
you
that.
know what? When I do come to Peter, I'm gonna try to come.
You need to come, for
Those are
real.
Very good.
You need to come. Then we're gonna squeeze some lemon in there. Hold on, you can be. Hey, this is your
Look
birthday.
at you.
We're gonna squeeze some lemon in there.
That is my type of meal right there.
Oh yeah, girl, she loves this one.
I love shrimp.
I said it's really easy to cook.
Yeah, I told
And
Marie.
then what are you gonna make with it?
I got side salad and I got some garlic bread going.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't watch a million. Yes, so keep on making your videos.
Yes, ma'am.
In DOGG'S Kitchen, we do watch.
Oh, I'm so happy. I didn't know.
Yes. Yes.
I thought I was just out here doing it.
Yep, I love YouTube, so I love creative. So definitely keep on creating.
Well, please, yeah, go back and like it and tell your friends and family. You know.
I do. You know what? I'm gonna do more of sharing your channel, so that and then I don't have YouTube, but I need to sit down and talk to you because I've been thinking about doing my own YouTube for some of my own stuff that I'm doing.
Some fresh parsley we're gonna put in there. Look at that. We're gonna throw some fresh parsley in there.
So okay, all right.
No, I'm listening to you. I'm just I'm letting y'all know now on the camera what I'm doing.
Yes, I need to know what kind. Okay, do you voice over then?
No.
I told him about it. I used to try to get him to do it, but he didn't understand it at the time.
No voiceover.
Oh, okay.
No, I just straight talk.
You, baby girl.
Love you too.
I'm so sad though.
Nene, you need to come on our dad's channel.
Yes, please do.
21. I don't want you to be 21. I
know, right?
right?
Put a little more olive oil in
No,
here.
okay, 8. How about you be 8 again?
Just a little bit more.
No, absolutely not.
Wow.
Squeeze up some more lemon, guys, up in here. Okay, let me see if I can find that.
Oh, yeah, he does.
Girl.
We're gonna turn this down some. Now, if you really wanted to, what I like to do, I'm not gonna do it today. I like to squeeze some zest in there too as well. It just enhance the flavor a whole lot. But yeah. So we're gonna just sit this to the side, because this is pretty much done. This is pretty much done. So I'm trying to make up a lot of sauce too, because I got a lot of noodles I'm going in here too. So that's how it looks, guys. Right here. Now we'll go ahead and throw these linguine up in here. Now, like I said, I break mine in half. You don't have to if you don't want to. If you want to suck on a long piece of pasta, go right ahead. But me, I don't. So I'm gonna go pick half of this. This should be enough. One box should be enough for everybody to get some. See? Then you drop it down just like that. It goes a long ways, guys. And you want to get jiggy a little bit with it. Like the shrimps, I take some of this Creole seasoning right here that I have. Open it up. We'll just sprinkle a little bit of that on there. Okay? That's a little bit, not a whole lot, guys. You don't want to burn anybody's mouth. Alright? And that's how that looks. So when this get done, we're going to go ahead and mix that stuff together. Then squeeze a little bit more lemon and we'll be all done. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. We're going to find the garlic salt. Here it goes right here. I'll put some butter on it. So I'm going to sprinkle some of this garlic salt on there. Not too much, because we don't like a lot of salt. Okay. Alright. Just like that. Take a little of this parsley. Throw a little bit on there for decoration. Make it taste fresher and all that good stuff. Okay. And throw it in the oven, let it brown up. So I'm going to turn it on. Let's see, okay. It boil. Alright. Don't take long at all, guys, for this. So you got to set it up to the ground. I did turn this off because my noodles weren't done yet. So I got to check on these real quick. And they don't look to be done. See how they look. You want them al dente, but that's not done. I got about another 3 more minutes on that. So it got a rubbery taste to it. It's well seasoned though. That's good. Alright guys, I'll show you when they'll get done and the garlic bread get done. I'm gonna mix these together. I'll show you when I've mixed them together, but I'll show you the garlic bread and the whole spread after I show you this. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, just want to give you a quick glance at the garlic bread. That's the garlic bread. Take this over here and let it chill for a second. And get these noodles. Turn this back up. And I'm going to just start putting these in here. Now you can use a calendar if you want to. I like to kind of measure it out a little bit like this. Start stirring this up in here. Got all that flavor. Yes, sir. Notice I'm putting the shrimps on top of this pasta because I'm not done putting pasta in there. Turn this back down a little bit. Get some more of these noodles. just want to flip this around, get some of that lovely sauce on there. This right here, take our parsley, throw some more of that on there. Take up some of this Parmesan, turn this off, throw a little bit in there, and put a little bit on your plate. Okay, turn this off. That's it. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up and show you guys what we got. Alright? In a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. That's it right there. My version of shrimp scampi with a salad and garlic bread on the side. With a salad on the side. Shrimp scampi, garlic bread, and a salad on the side. So if you, and here's some ranch dressing right there. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please like and share and comment and subscribe to the channel. And please hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in DOGG'S Kitchen. And happy birthday to Key and Tiffany Brown. Alright, see you guys in a minute.